Assalamualaikum guys. Today I am going to make a fantastic recipe. First, take a bowl and add 1 pound of boneless chicken. Then add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Now, mix all the ingredients well. Once mixed, set it aside. Next, take another bowl and add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 3 tablespoon water. Mix everything well. This will be our sauce. Now, take a frying pan of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken and stir well. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. In the same frying pan, add another 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and then add 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, then add 5 to 6 dried red chilies, 1/4 cup peanuts. And in this we will add a mixture of chicken meat. Now we will add our sauce mixture. Keep stirring and then add 1 tablespoon red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon green bell pepper, 2 tablespoons green onions. Add salt according to your preference. Mix everything well and cook for a few more minutes. Your delicious chicken dish is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. And our amazing recipe is ready. Now you can enjoy it with boiled rice or roti or both. For more delicious videos, like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Which dish do you like the most? Let us know in the comments so we can make our next video on it.